So in this video, we want to show you how to do a full factory restore reset on all LG smartphones. It'll work on all the older versions, but it'll also work on the newer versions, whether that be a Journey, a Track phone, or anything from 2019, 2021, and beyond that. So what you're going to do on all models, with it powered down, you want to make sure it's powered all the way down, and you want to have it connected to a power source. You're going to hold down the power button while simultaneously holding down the down volume button at the same time. This particular model has it in the center, but some of the volume buttons are on the left and the right, the side. That's fine. You'd still hold them both down at the same time. As soon as you see the LG logo, you immediately release the power off button. You release it while still holding down to the volume down button, and then immediately put your finger back on the power off button while still holding down the volume down button. And then as soon as you see that reset on here, that's when you will just release both buttons and then do the reset. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that now. So let's hold them both down at the same time. Just released, and then put it back on. Okay, and if that doesn't work, just hold both those buttons, the power down button and the power off button, at the same time, and then just keep holding it down. You should get this factory restore reset really quickly. If not, like I said, you might have to try 4 or 5 times. Okay, and then from here you're going to use your power up and down button to go to erase all user data and restore default changes. Now remember, when you choose this, it's going to erase everything on the phone except just everything from the factory out of the box state. So any pictures, phone numbers, personal messages, or anything you want that you have, if you want to resell the phone or give it away, that's why people would want to do this. It'll wipe out all viruses. And then from there, we click the power to choose yes. And then it says erase all user data and restore default settings, and then I'm going to click yes again. So I'll just hit this power button again. Whoops, I went down. Alright, let's go back that and then hit the power button. Alright, so Android is now erasing all the data, and that should do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Just give it a few minutes, and it'll let you know when everything's erased.